Hi, I'm working in Visual Force component like group choosing pick list. In this, we need to create a pick list values by a grouped item. Like if there are four football teams under in the NFC East, then these football teams like should be come under the NFC East region, and like the another four football teams should become under the NFC North region. And so like display value should be all the both will be string and id will should be sfdc id. Okay, I have created like this component. You will see two values, account first you click no values, and if you choose one pick list value. So in contact last name I have grouped by the last name. So a person has the same last name will come under the last name. Like if different first name and same last name. So in this you will see three entries for this. So these first name are different but last name are same. So in contact, so I have created this, and in account like customer direct, customer channel and technology partner. These are disabled, you can't click on this. Let me show you. The type is customer direct, channel and technology. There are three types only, so you can differentiate these three types. Like if I click on this and click on gen count, you will get the SFDC ID which was the requirement, and again if you click on this you will get the ID of this contact. So this was the major requirement in this challenge. So I have implemented that requirement. Let me add another component like copy. Width should be 55. So width is different. So you can easily add a component by just adding this value. Again you can simply, so this was the major requirement to create a component, and this is the simple in a simply I have done this. You can see that another component like C libraries. What C libraries do, it loads all the libraries in a single component, because if we include all the libraries in a main component, then if there are 10 components, the 10 times libraries will load. So in my case here, the all the libraries will load once, but it will not impact any component loading things. So it will make a page to faster, like in while loading the page no jQuery, no css file will or jQuery files will load again and again. It will loads again in a single time when a page will load. So we need to include this library, C libraries. Let me show you the C library component. So this is a C library component. So here we have only three libraries like choosing jQuery, choosing jQuery.js, choosing.css. And in this I have created another component like which is the main component. It's a three attribute: class name, text value, width as much as you define you want to give, like 95%, 75%, 55 or 45. So it's up to you. I have just give two default button just to show the demo how we can retrieve the value. To retrieve a value, it's a very simple way. Just we need to write the class name which we are passing here. By this we can retrieve the values of the picklist value. So only things you need to do is in Apex form, or in first you need to import all the libraries, then you need to add a component. So it will make make faster to component to load on a page. So in a single way I have done this. So here the libraries, how it works. Let me show you how the headers are coming, like in controller. Just here I have differentiate the contact with the last name, concatenate with first name, and in this account dot type is concatenate with account dot name. So account type will be the header and account name will be the values like coming under. Let me show you in this. Account type is the header, account values are account names are the values coming under this. So you can differentiate, like if you want to change this, just you need to change here the value. So you can query the whatever field you want to categorize, and then you can define that in the pick list. Like this only you need to define here, and you need to connect it with the hash. So three attribute, and here I am retrieving the value, and according to value I am just defining the pick list values like header and whatever, and chooser here it will give the by default functionality of a simple apex list select list as a choosing select list, which was the main requirement. Okay, thank you. I hope you will like my solution.